When determining how much laminate you will need for your project, you must first determine what exactly you are laminating. There are two types of cabinets shown earlier in this section, face frame and Euro. The amount of laminate needed will depend on which of these styles you will be refacing. Due to the fact that the bottoms of Euro upper cabinets are smooth, it's very common, but not required, to laminate the bottom of the cabinets as well as the sides. If you are laminating the bottoms of the uppers, make sure to measure the exact size of the pieces that you need to fit, so that you can first see if you can get the pieces out of your existing job. Most cabinet faces will be laminated using the full face method. This is where large pieces of laminate are used to face the cabinets in one piece, then the waste is cut out and discarded to create a joint-free look. However, when laminating with wood grain colors, you may want to cut the material into strips so that the stiles and rails are laminated in a way that makes the product look more like an assembled wood cabinet, with the grain running vertical on the stiles and horizontal on the rails. Peel and stick laminates are ordered in the following quantities: 3 lineal yards, which covers most vanities, 10 lineal yards, which covers most small to medium-sized kitchens, 15 linear yards for large kitchens or kitchen and bath combos, and 30 lineal yards, which is typically a commercial quantity or for those who want to keep stock of a particular color. To know how many linear yards are needed, you will first need to find out the linear footage of the exposed surfaces on both the upper and lower cabinets, and then add them together. Be sure to count the sides of the cabinets and the backs of the peninsulas when figuring out the footage. Once you have figured out the linear footage, you will convert the number into linear yards by dividing the total linear footage by 3. Round up to the next whole number to figure the minimum amount of material you should order. Taking a look now at a random number as an example, let's assume that you need to order a total of 16 linear yards. You would actually want to order 2 10-yard rolls, as this is the most cost-effective way to order, even though you may end up with a little more material than you think you need. All 20 yards would come in one piece on the same roll up to 30 yards. Anything over 30 will ship out on a separate roll. Any excess can be calculated in as waste or kept for use for future repairs if needed. You are now ready to measure for doors and drawer fronts.